Breault is pleased to announce the latest improvements to the remote feature in ASAP, whereby users can automatically sum or average the results from a user-defined selection of remote session files across their local area networks. As an example, we'll use an automotive headlamp design containing a high-intensity discharge or HID lamp, a parabolic reflector, and an aspheric projection lens. In this case, we're interested in a bird's eye or aerial view of the headlamp illuminance on the roadway. We start by creating 6 remote sessions on our local area network, and then selecting the files we want used for the illuminance calculation. Once the process is started, files are automatically transferred to each remote session and ray tracing begins. We can periodically view the status of each remote session using the drop-down menu on the remote toolbar. Once all remote sessions have been completed, we can combine the results from each session using the remote combine dialog. We can compute the sum or average of a selected number of distribution files using either the standard Breault 9 file or a named file chosen from the file list. The results are automatically combined and stored in a named file in our local directory and can be immediately viewed in a 2D picture or added to our 3D plot. Here we've opened the summed illuminance data within our 3D plot and can quickly see the effect of adding the results from multiple remote sessions. These improvements to the remote feature in ASAP provide users with an even more powerful distributed processing environment to quickly trace and analyze their optical system designs. Contact a Breault representative today to learn more.